In this video, you will learn about words that are always used together. They are known as collocations. For example, rich and famous, deep sleep, or make a wish. Let us take a look at the term heavy rain. To describe a lot of rain, you would always say heavy rain and not strong rain or big rain. Heavy rain is always used together. Let us take a look at a few other examples. Did you pay for the tickets? Pay for is used together to talk about paying money. They are always used together. She heard about the accident and burst into tears. Burst into tears is used when someone starts crying immediately. The rich and famous live in Hollywood. Rich and famous is used to talk about people who are rich and famous due to their work. Collocations usually cannot be changed with similar words since they don't sound right. For example, burst into tears cannot be changed to blew up into tears. Or rich and famous cannot be changed to wealthy and famous. Some other common collocations are strong smell, heavy traffic, deep sleep, make a wish, and do your best. Now you know what collocations are.